Hi, M6439. Please introduce yourself.
Yes, hello, my name is Mary Grace Takpay Marzan. I'm 34 years old, single, I'm a Christian. I
Your,
live I live in Umingan, Pangasinan, Philippines.
your highest educational attainment.
My highest educational attainment is high school graduate.
Okay, tell me about your experiences as a helper.
Yes, my experience is I work as a helper, house helper here in Philippines for 4 years and 2 months in Santa Mesa. I serve 4 members of the family, including sir and madam. Also the kids, one boy and one girl, ages 4 and 6 years old.
Okay, other household chores that you do.
I do washing clothes, ironing clothes, washing, ironing clothes, cooking, car washing, marketing, general cleaning. Also, I take care of pets and take good care of children.
Okay, you also work in Saudi Arabia, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me about your experience in Saudi Arabia.
I work as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 9 months, uh, serving the 6 member of the family, including uh, 5 adults. Four adults and 2 kids.
So, 5 adults and 2 kids.
Yes,
7 members of the family,
7 members.
including 2 couples,
Yes, sir.
right? The mother and father of the couple, which is the 30 years old, and their children, 4 and 7, and the siblings of your employee, which is the 35 years old.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Other household chores that you do?
Yes, sir. I do general cleaning, also washing clothes, ironing, marketing, cooking, assisting cooking to my employer.
Oh.
I do take care of their children, and
You are also car washing, right?
yes, sir.
How many car do you car wash?
I do 2 cars twice a month, sir.
So twice a month car washing.
Yes.
Okay. Since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, sir. It's okay, sir.
Okay. If the newborn is crying, what will you do?
When the baby is crying, I will check the temperature if she's sick, and then give her food, and then change the diaper if it's full.
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did all of your best, what will you do?
If the baby doesn't stop to cry, I will call immediately the employer, my madam and sir, to inform that the baby is still crying, sir.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because it's a safe place and they give a higher salary.
Okay.
And I want to earn money for my family, for their needs, to support them for their needs, sir.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong for even 5 to 10 years. It's okay, sir.
Okay, so it is okay to you to be extended your contract,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
Yes, sir. I know I know a little, sir, but I am willing to learn, sir.
Okay, and how will you learn to cook?
I will check, sir, in the social media, sir, YouTube, or I will read it to books, recipe books, sir.
Okay, you will read the recipe books.
Yes.
And also, if you got an employer in Hong Kong, you could ask them if they could teach you how to prepare,
Yes,
right? Okay. If your employer prepared some food, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir, no problem, sir.
It is okay to you to share a job with other helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
It's okay, sir, no problem, sir.
To work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
It's okay, sir.
How about to take care of pets?
Yes, sir. I can take care of it, sir.
Taking care of elderly.
Yes, sir, I can do, sir.
It is okay to you to learn their language if one of your employers don't know how to speak English.
Yes, sir, I'm willing to learn, sir.
How about cutting your hair into short?
Yes, sir, it's okay, sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Yes, to my future employer, please hire me, and I promise to work hard and take care of your family, love and care as my own family. And I promise to finish my contract and be honest to you. I hope you hire me and I will wait. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Mary Grace. Thank you.
Thanks.